Finding a trusted locksmith should be a straightforward process. With literally thousands of locksmiths online, surely you have your pick, excuse the pun, of reputable businesses. Unfortunately, property owners often encounter misleading search engine ads, meaning you could unknowingly invite an untrustworthy and poorly skilled individual to handle the security of your property. The Master Locksmiths Association is an authoritative body for UK locksmithing, recognised by the police and government. In the absence of government licensing, we provide an easy way to find reputable locksmith companies through our vetted, qualified and inspected approval process. Vetted. Having changed the law, all our member locksmiths are able to have a standard criminal record check. Qualified. Companies must employ a qualified master locksmith who has passed a nationally recognised certificate in general locksmithing. Inspected. We regularly inspect our companies to ensure they deliver high-quality service, focusing on skilled and experienced staff, the right tools for every job, excellent customer service and communication. We are your local MLA-approved company. Look out for our logo.